What's the deal, my fella Uptowners? What's the deal? It's your boy, Uptown Trav, back with another one. As you guys might know, I'm on some healthy stuff right now. Hopefully, I'm trying to make it my lifestyle because Uptown life is real. So I'm trying to stick to it. Ain't nothing but to do it. That's it. So Uptown life, if you guys already don't know, is basically 2.0. So it's always better. You can always do better in anything, whether it's healthy lifestyle, your living, your job, your mentality, anything. Uptown, Uptown life, best at whatever it is. All categories. Instead of say 2.0, Uptown, Uptown life. Then you can just put your name at it. Uptown, whatever. For me, Uptown Trav it is. So made my breakfast today. I did a little research. Don't really know where to start and begin. My brother been helping me out, but then I also went to YouTube and searched up some things, which was kind of interesting. How some people claim to know how to use weight loss. Like for instance, I watched this one video yesterday where the guy was a little overweight, and then he went on I forgot the name for it, but he throws up his food and all that. And then he had the audacity to say he knows how to lose weight. Like, bro, you don't know how to lose weight, right? Then if you're just gonna throw this stuff up, so miss me with that. So YouTube's kind of out for me on the healthy stuff. But if anybody got any ideas or anything, you can hit my Instagram or leave it in the comments below. But yeah, so here we go. This is my first made breakfast from doing my little research. It's only 544 calories. So let's check it out. I got my oatmeal with the berries, the blueberries. That was pretty healthy, and actually it's a lot more than what I thought it would be. It's a half a cup of oats, a half a cup of blueberries, which in total is, was it 180 calories. And then I got 3 eggs and fat-free cheese. Just the fat-free cheese just gave more protein to my eggs because I ain't trying to be starving all day. And then a little cup of milk, And then that's pretty much it. So, if I eat this every day, I'm going to be real with myself. It ain't going to last. So I just need some good, healthy ideas. And meal preparation, I found is key. So I won't try to wing it. I bought these little bowls right here. I bought these little bowls for meal preparation. Just get to it, man. Uptown life is real. Shirts be coming soon. Shirts will be coming real soon. Just got to figure out how to do the little stuff. But yeah. And then for my shirts, you can put Uptown, then customize it with any name you want, any slogan you want. So just stay posted. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Just hit me with some ideas, y'all. I do shout outs. I appreciate everybody's help. All my viewers, all my subscribers. Let's keep that stuff Uptown, man. With that being said, Uptown Trav out. Y'all enjoy your Uptown life.